Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, very important video. Just few hours back I'm uploading a video regarding Infosys preparation and interview preparation and what are the topics and those who are having the 31st May, how to clear the exam and everything, and today's offline exam experience also uploading in that video. And within 2 hours and around 9:21 p.m. students will be receiving the interview mails, and I'll tell you each and every information regarding next step and those who are waiting for that interview mails, and what is the step-by-step process, and upcoming 31st May exam candidates also follow all these instructions and the suggestions, and you will get a Infosys job easily. Okay, so let's get started today's video. And before that, those who are completed the today offline exams, we just go through our WhatsApp channel, link in the pinned comment. You can go through our WhatsApp channel, and you can respond the poll, like those who are still waiting for that interview mails. You can just respond, and we will understand, okay, this region, or else Hyderabad region, or Bangalore state, and these states still waiting for that interview mails, and accordingly we will analyze, and we will, if there is any information regarding particular location wise, and we will share you in that WhatsApp channel. Okay, so let's get started today's video. Those who are receiving the interview mails, so firstly congratulations. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the interview mail, Infosys Limited interview details. Interview is completely offline, face-to-face interview, as same as a physical assessment. Okay, it's not a online, it's a offline interview. So you need to prepare accordingly. Okay, so Welltech University, I think it's a Chennai location, Welltech University, and tomorrow is at 10 to 10:30. Okay, 10 to 10:30. As I mentioned in the thumbnail, 30 minutes of interview. 30 minutes of interview. Your Infosys job is confirmed. Around 6 LPA to 9 LPA packages. As per your overall performance, the package will be decided. Okay, as per your overall performance, the package will be decided. But basic package is 6 LPA. Okay, 30 minutes of interview. Let's divide 30 minutes part wise. Okay, let's divide 30 minutes in the part wise. I'll give you the complete information, that information at the end of this video. And before going to that information, let us discuss regarding reminding people and this candidate, how many codes will be passed to get the interview mail. So this candidate will be today offline exam completed, morning slot. Okay, so I'm asking how many codes you pass. He is telling his name is I'm not telling the name because that candidate will be attending the tomorrow interview. Maybe it will be impact maybe it will be impact, so that's why I'm not telling the name. But he is receiving the interview mail, and this person will be passed the code. One full code will be passed, and another code, all expected 2 cases. Okay, and remaining codes he will be pass, expect 2 test cases. So you can see interview mail, I think he is passing around 1 full code, and another two coding questions, expected to 2 test cases, and all test cases will be passed. I think around the 3 coding questions he is solving, I think. And still 3 coding questions and 2 coding questions who are passing the today's offline exam, still most of the candidates will be not receiving the interview mail, as they are responding in that poll. But I'll tell you the complete information, so don't be panic regarding that interview mails. So guys, this is a very important topic. Every state, Chennai or Hyderabad, Bangalore, as I mentioned in the previous video, as per the interviewers availability, like suppose if tomorrow HR will be available and technical team will be available for conducting the interviews, and they will send the interview mails immediately. Okay, suppose if they are available for Tuesday, and they will be send the interview mails Monday night. Okay, so accordingly you need to prepare for that, because if you are still not receiving any kind of rejection mail, or else if you are receiving the rejection mail, then you can apply other off campus drive. Suppose if you are not receiving any kind of rejection mail, and if you are passing the 2 coding questions, or 1.5 coding questions, or 3 coding questions, you have high chances. Okay, but still, as per the poll, as per the candidates, still interview mails will be pending. Okay, still interview mails will be pending, and batch wise or else location wise or else interviews availability, they will be send the interview mails. You can see in this mail screenshot, they are mainly mentioned HR name. Okay, those who are conducting the interview, that HR mail will be there here, and that person will be conducting the interview tomorrow. Those who are receiving the mails, that person will be conducting the tomorrow's interview. Around 30 minutes of interview will be there. Okay, so that's why if you are still not receiving any kind of interview mails, you need to wait for some time. You will get as per the interviewers availability. Okay, so don't be panic. This same thing will be happen last year also and before last year also, because they are unable to conduct the interviews at the same day, same time, and because most of the candidates will be selected right at that time, they are unable to conduct the interviews on the same day, because there is a lunch time, there is a some travel issues, or else some candidates will be unable to attend the interviews, right? So that's the reason they will be scheduled accordingly. Okay, so you need to wait for some time. You will get an interview mail for sure if your performance is very good. Okay, so let's discuss how to clear the interview. So firstly, there is a 30 minutes of interview. Okay, 10 to 10:30, 30 minutes of interview, May 25th 2026. In this 30 minutes, 10 minutes, what type of questions will be asked? Okay, they will be asked self introduction. So first, self introduction. Suppose if that self introduction question will be miss, and they will be asking, suppose how are you, Ramesh? Suppose your name is Ramesh, or else your name is Shwati, and how are you, Shwati, and how what's going on, and how you like what are the snack, or else what are the breakfast, and what is the lunch you are eat more afternoon or else morning, like that they will be start interaction. And after that, okay, let us start the interview. Okay, could you please introduce yourself? That is the first question. Maybe most of the cases, 90% of the cases, that is the first question. And after that, if your self introduction is very good, and if you are mentioning everything perfect, structured, ordered in that self introduction, they will be impressed, and they will be asking regarding project questions. Okay, in that project questions, you need to mention everything. So around you can take 8 to 9 minutes to explain your project. So in that cases, the time will be completed accordingly, because there is only 30 minutes. If you are engaged the interview with interviewer, and you are almostly selected. Okay, that's what the freshers is mainly missing. If you are engaged the interviewer with interview answers, that interviewer will be okay, this person have confidence to execute something, or else interact with the other people, or else he has some knowledge, he has some ideas to implement there, and he has some good communication skills, he has a good knowledge towards the coding or programming deep level of programming, and all these things. So mainly for the technical, whatever the programming language, you need to prepare for that, data structures and algorithms, and oops concept, and the SQL related questions, like could you please tell me the what is the SQL, and what is the use, and what is the create, what is the how to create a table, and how to insert a table, and how to delete a table, and how to like swap the data in between the tables. Like this, you need to prepare some RDBMS concepts as well, like queries related concepts as well, because maybe sometimes based on the packages and interviews will be tough questions will be asking, chances very high. Okay, so you can prepare accordingly. So up to this complete technical questions, around 25 minutes will be completed. In that last 5 minutes, they will be asking some HR related questions, like in your project, how you are interact with your friends, or else your teammates, and whatever it is. And could you please tell me any kind of achievement in your life, or else what is your major target to reach your goal, like all this, some kind of HR discussion will be there, because only one interview, no further interviews will be happened. It's an offline interview, one interview. If you perform well, you will be selected. So I'm pretty sure those who are receiving the interview mails, there will be chances for getting the selection for the Infosys job very very high, because getting the interview mail is not at all easy. If you are perform medium level or else basic level also, chances high chances for selection. But please don't be dumb during the interview. You need to try to answer each and every question. Okay, so all the best. Thanks for watching. I hope our videos will be helpful throughout your hiring job searching process. And join the WhatsApp channel. And those who are still not receiving any kind of interview mails, you just join the WhatsApp channel and you can respond to the poll, and we will update you further who are waiting for that interview mails and exams. Okay, so all the best. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.